Welcome back. Nike Dunk Low Venice features a smooth white leather upper with light violet overlays and swooshes. Jordan 1 Low, black siren red, is dressed in a white leather base and black overlays. Nike side swoosh and Jordan brand's signature wings logo. Jordan 1 Low Say, barely green, is where an old-school icon meets the modern-day pastel trend, and we're obsessed. This pretty pale shoe comes with pink accents for the perfect spring cop. Air Jordan 1 Low Light Madder Root features a neutral suede base with pink leather overlays paired with teal-green swooshes and branding. A mesh tongue atop, a white midsole, and pink rubber outsole completes the design. Air Jordan Mid Barely Rose brings a light pastel color to the ever-growing line of women's exclusive Jordan mids. The women's Air Jordan 1 Mid Barely Rose is equipped with barely rose and white leather overlays on its upper. Air Jordan Mid-Berry swaps the classic varsity red for a pinkish purple hue on the toe box, quarter panel, lace collar, ankle, and heel. The interior ankle swoosh and wings logo are black, while the tongue, toe box, and mid-eye panel remain white. Much like the many mids that have released in 2021, these feature a mix of suede and light tumbled leather. Air Jordan Low Canyon Rust presents itself in fine nubic and suede construction, in an almost identical palette to the accompanying Zoom release. Resting atop an all-wear sail sole unit, the pair ushers in a multi-material upper, with base layers of nubic in the titular hue, with warm, almost pinker beiges covering the heel, ankle, and forefoot eyelet overlay. Subscribe for more unboxing. YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok.